In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text bigger in Milanote. If you're working on a project or brainstorming board in Milanote and need to emphasize certain sections of text, adjusting the text size is a simple yet effective way to do that. Let's walk through the steps to achieve this with ease. First, start by highlighting the block of text that you want to change. This could be a title, a paragraph, or just a few words that you want to stand out more prominently on your board. It's important to make sure you've selected the exact text you wish to modify. Otherwise, you may end up changing text you didn't intend to, which can affect the overall look and feel of your board. Now that you have your text highlighted, look for the text style option in the toolbar. The toolbar is usually located at the top of your Milanote window. Clicking on this option opens up a variety of text style choices that can help you customize your text appearance to fit your specific needs and preferences. Once you click on the text style menu, you'll see several options for text sizes. If you're looking to make your text larger, you can opt for a large heading. This is particularly useful if you want this piece of text to serve as a main title or a significant section header. For Mac users, you can simply press Command-Shift-1, and for Windows users, Control-Shift-1 will do the trick. If a large heading is too big for your liking, or if your text is a subheading or a section title, the standard heading option might be more suitable. Again, on a Mac, you'll use Command-Shift-2, whereas Windows users can use Control-Shift-2 to access this text style. It's a great way to maintain a hierarchy in your text without overemphasizing it. For regular body text, you might want to revert to normal text. This maintains clarity and readability, especially for longer passages or descriptive sections. Mac users can quickly switch to this by pressing Command-Shift-0, while Windows users can use Control-Shift-0. Lastly, for text that needs to be less prominent, perhaps annotations or footnotes, you might consider the small text option. The shortcuts for this are Command-Shift-9 on a Mac and Control-Shift-9 on Windows. Using varying text sizes effectively ensures that your content remains visually appealing and easy to follow. Remember, adjusting text size can greatly influence the readability and visual balance of your Milanote boards. So feel free to play around with these options until you find the right fit for each element of your project. Happy designing!